Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girlia's cards, which is Gloria, and UCY I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. This week's theme is to use acetate. Next week's theme will be buttons. We also enter our projects into hashtag Satmorn Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. So this week I am using these acetate stickers that I got from Cuttlemeclay Tay, and I'll leave her link down below. If you'd like to go over, stop by, visit her or her store, you wouldn't be disappointed. I'm telling you, she has some amazing flowers. But anyways, this is what I'm using. These are the other items that I'm using. Just because I'm using Hi and Giant Girl Ginger faces, and I'm using Hey and Hugs, and these are from My Creative Time. I'm also using the mushroom dies, and I'm using these little shrubs as clouds. And also from More Cocoa Mugs and Stuff, and I'm using this little thing here to go under their feet. Okay, let me show you, oops, got one more. I'm also using the Coffee Frames charm dies, and I'm just using this and this here. And these are the embellishments that I created this week. So I thought these little girls were just perfect on that little die that I got from My Creative Time, and they'll go perfect on cards or whatever I'd like to put them on. But the acetate, the little girls are made out of acetate, so I thought that was a perfect suggestion from one of my friends to use stickers. So thank you so much, Lisa. And so that's what I am using. These little girls are just too cute, and I love them. And then there was this one there, just super cute. All right, and if you have enough time, make sure you enter into our collabs, which is hashtag 2crafters1design and hashtag Saturday Morning Makes. I'll have the ladies' links down below, and that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.